Hello friends, hi, this is your girl Josy. Today is another day and we are trying to finish my mom's savings challenge, which I'm super excited. Almost there, really almost there. So today we're going to cast off this, so keep watching. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting on the bell. Thank you so much. If you are my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. So today is just one of my videos that I'm saving for my mom. I do this every year and this savings challenge has really helped me. This one was my old 100 envelope savings challenge. I do have a new one, which I want to show you to you guys quick. So this is my new 100 envelope savings challenge. So in case you're looking for one to buy for Christmas, your girl have it in the shop. I'll have the link in my description so that you will check it out. So this is the new one. It has about 4 challenges in there. So it's kind of different from other 100 envelope savings challenge. It doesn't have just one savings challenge, about 4 of them. So now that I've told you about the new one, so this one for my mom, each envelope was getting $25. So at the end, we will have $2,500. We are literally almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we are almost at the 20. It has 25 of them. It's numbers from 1 to 100. So before I do that, let me go ahead, count my money, how much I'm going to put it in. Then we will get started. Okay, so 1, 2, that's 40. I hope everybody's doing very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be 120. 1, 2. So that's 25, 120, 145. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be 150. Okay, like I said, each of them get $25. Each packet get 25. That's one thing I love about my savings challenge, because it doesn't have only the 100 envelopes tracker. It has different trackers. You can do it in anyhow. You can do it by putting whichever amount, because I have an empty sheet that you can record as well. So this one get 25. I'm super excited that I'm almost done. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, so as you can see, I only have 4 packets left. I can't wait to get it done. I can't wait. Let me go ahead and record this. So like I said, my new challenge also have an empty tracker that you can record. It's laminated, you can reuse it at any time. So that's how cool it is. So this is how far we have. Super excited. Yeah, almost done, almost done. I can't wait to get it done. So thanks for watching me today. If you haven't grabbed your challenge there, it's still not too late. We are still doing it. In case you want to join, you can buy one or you can use any regular envelope. The 100 envelope savings challenge is going on. It's called 100 days to Christmas. I can't wait to get that one also done. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.